Hello children, I am your Shipra ma'am. Today I am going to introduce you about the pre-concept of open and close. You can see here my first picture, the girl's eyes are open, and in the second picture the girl's eyes are closed. Now let's do it with me. Open and close, open and close. Whenever we are opening our eyes, we can see everything, and when our eyes are closed, we don't see anything. So, open and close. You can see the girl is closing the door in the first picture, and in the next picture, the girl is opening the door. So, close, open, close, open. You can see the boy is sitting here. In the first picture, the box is open, and in the next picture, the box is closed. Open, close, open, close. Whenever we are feeling hungry, we open the lunch box. And when the food is finished, what we do? We close the lunch box. So, here in the first picture, the lunch box is open. And in the second picture, the lunch box is closed. So, let's move to the next slide. What this little girl is doing? This little girl is opening the window. And in the next picture, second picture, the window is closed. So, hope the concept of open and close is clear. So, now it is brainstorming time. So, let's solve some questions with me. My first question is, circle the boxes which are open. So, tell me, this first box is open or close? Close. So, we will not circle it. And tell me, this second box is open or close? Open. So, we will circle this box. Okay. Now, third box is open or close? Open. Yes. So, we will circle this box. Now tell me, this box is open or close? Open. Yes. So, we will circle this box. Now, the next box is open or close? Close. So, we will not circle it. Now, come to the next question. Circle the book which are closed. Now, tell me, the first book is closed or open? Open. So, we will not circle it. Now, tell me, second book is open or close? Close. So, we will circle this book. Now, tell me, the third book is open or close? Close. So, we will circle this book. Now, tell me, the book is closed or open? Close. So, we will circle this book. Now tell me, the book is open or close? Open. So, we will not circle it. So, hope the concept is clear. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share and subscribe Udayan Kidz.